In this video, this cocktail was putting Monin's Guava Syrup to the test. Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. In this video, as I just say, I'm rocking out Monin's Guava Syrup. I love guavas. In the UK, we just don't get fresh guavas over here, so we kind of have to rely on purees, or syrups and stuff like that. I haven't got one here. I'm pretty sure Drinkstuff also sell funkin' actual guava puree, so that might be a good shout as well. For this I've kind of created a tiki cocktail. Haven't got a name for it. I've written down Tropical Tiki. That's as good as I get with cocktails. So in the comments below, make sure you give this cocktail a name. What's it taste like? Oh, that is summer. That is fun in a cocktail. Oh my God, I love that. Also, I'm going to talk you through the recipe in a second, and I should talk you through what this glass is as well. So make sure you stay tuned for this. As always though, Monin, we Drinkstuff, they sell virtually the whole range of Monin syrups. I absolutely love it. It's the first time I've kind of rocked it out in a cocktail video, but I'm going to be doing a lot more than that because I love my whole palette. I love the fun and fruity stuff. That's what I'm all about. Not necessarily sweet, but I do love fun and fruity flavours. So I'm looking forward to showing you how to make this. Right, so let's quickly talk you through the ingredients that I'm going to use for this. Obviously, we're going to go for some Monin Guava Syrup. For the rum, I've written down Pineapple Rum. I'm going to go for Havana's new sort of Cuban Spiced. I'm going to show you some alternatives. The reason why I'm going for this, as I've said a couple of times before, this is Guava, toasted coconut, pineapple in there with hints of vanilla. But pineapple rums, there are flipping loads, even on my back bar that you could go to. My passion fruit grenade. I've got Dead Man's Fingers pineapple. We've got Captain Morgan's pineapple. I've got Aldi. That's really tasty as well. And we've also got Red Leg here. So feel free to swap out any of those, or, you know, I'm all about inspiration, or a plain rum and some pineapple liqueur. Any way you want to take this, I think any of those are going to work a treat. Then I'm going for some of my favourite orange liqueur. This is Fortunate. It's actually a kumquat liqueur. We're talking Grand Marnier. We're talking orange curaçaos. Feel free to use Cointreau, triple sec, that kind of thing. Swap them out. Give it whatever orange liqueur you've got. I've got some ODK lime juice that we use. I've got some freshly squeezed orange juice in there. I'm going to do my usual trick with the bitters. But the quickly last thing before we dive into the cocktail, I just want to say, I'm going to start rocking these out because we're coming, especially in the UK, we're all kind of being let out to play outdoors. There's going to be a lot of outdoor uses. I'm going to start using some of the straw glassware in this. There is a video about this on this channel. You can get their whole range from Drinkstuff, and I absolutely love them simply because they are indestructible. You cannot damage these, and I forget how many washes they're guaranteed for, but it's a lot more than normal sort of plastic glassware. So go and check out the straw. I'll stick a link below in the description. As I say, I've got a couple more videos I'm filming for this week. You know, we've even got indestructible, and they look cool, indestructible martini glasses. So that's the kind of a sling glass. That's what I'm going to use to serve this up. So let's dive straight into this. We're going for our rum. I'm going for 45 ml, which is 1.5 ounces. Feel free, UK, to do a 50 ml double bubble, whatever you fancy. So 45, 1.5 ounces of your pineapple rum, your rum with pineapple liqueur, whatever. My Fortunella, I love this stuff, absolutely good. But as I say, any kind of orange liqueur would work a treat. 15 ml, half an ounce of that. Then we're going for some lime juice. ODK lime juice, again, links to this. Drinkstuff sell this, obviously. Links you can get in the show notes below. 15 ml, half an ounce of lime juice. Of course, freshly squeezed if you're at home, not a drama. And then the final ingredient before the shake is some freshly squeezed orange juice, complete with pulp. I forgot my syrup in because it's over there. We'll use that in a second. Actually, let's do that now, and then we can wash it out. 15 ml of my guava syrup, so half an ounce of that. Lovely sort of tropical notes then. 15 ml of that. Then I'm just going for my final ingredient, which is my freshly squeezed orange juice, and I'm going to go for 45 ml, 1.5 ounces, or 50 ml if you're in the UK. Here we go. Get the bits in there. Get your vitamin C on the go as well. So that's all the ingredients for now. We're going to ice this up. Give it a good old shake down. Give it some proper welly, 10-12 seconds. Right, I've just noticed on my camera, bit of OCD, there we go, all facing front so you can see that properly. That's better, right. Pop that down there. Got my glass. Now, don't tell anyone, these are actually beer Pilsner glasses, but no, you don't want to drink a beer out of them, do you? Cocktails, so much better. Right, I've got my Tiki Bitters. I love these, cinnamon, allspice, kind of Caribbean spices. My usual trick. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's do one for like 4. Oh, I love those little bitters. There we go. Can we see that? Yeah, we can see that. Right, single strain. Magicals. There we go, look at that. And then I'm just gonna, you can use normal ice if you want, I'm just gonna top up with crushed ice. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. And then that just leaves enough room. Where's it gone? There is my little orange for the garnish there. On top, I've got a couple of pineapple leaves. And there we go. Remember to give it a name in the comments. If you want even more inspiration with morning syrups, maybe guava in the future as well, popping up on screen, dive into one of those videos and playlists. As always, if you like us, if you like the videos, big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of our future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.